This is our Wedges project by Jackie Beckett, Corianne D'Arienzo, Vanessa Lukasic, and Lindsay Troxel.
First, we have efficiency transport, conservation transport, efficiency buildings, efficiency electricity, CCS hydrogen, solar electricity, forest storage, and soil storage. We have 5 efficiency and conservation, 1 fossil fuel based, and 2 renewables and biostorage.
The first 4 and the last 2 are the least expensive strategies, and the 5 and 6 are the most expensive strategies.
For our first wedge, we chose transport efficiency. A typical 30 miles per gallon car driving 10,000 miles per year emits a ton of carbon into the air annually. A wedge of emission savings would be achieved if the fuel efficiency of all cars projected for 2060 were doubled from 30 miles per gallon to 60 miles per gallon. Efficiency improvements could come from using hybrid and diesel engine technologies, as well as making vehicles out of strong but lighter materials. For our second wedge, we chose transport conservation. A wedge would be achieved if the number of miles traveled by the world's cars were cut in half.
Our next wedge is building efficiency. It cuts emissions by 25% in all new and existing residential and commercial buildings, and will achieve a wedge worth of emissions reduction. Our fourth wedge is efficiency electricity. Coal-burning power plants produce about 1/4 of the world's carbon emissions. Producing the world's current coal-based electricity with doubled efficiency would save a wedge worth of carbon emissions.
Our 5th strategy we chose was CCS hydrogen. Hydrogen is a desirable fuel for a low-carbon society because when it is burned, the only emission product is water vapor. And we chose this because water vapor is a lot safer and more efficient than distributing carbon into the air. Our 6th strategy we chose was solar electricity. Solar electricity is photovoltaic cells convert sunlight to electricity, providing a source of CO2, free and renewable energy. And this, we chose this because this would cost less for the electricity bill, and it is also more efficient.
Our 7th wedge is forest storage. Land plant biomass can be increased by both reducing deforestation and planting new forests. Halting global deforestation in 50 years would provide 1 wedge of emissions savings. Our 8th wedge is soil storage. Conservation of natural vegetation to cropland reduces soil carbon content by 1/2 to 1/3. A wedge of emissions saving could be achieved by applying carbon management strategies to all of the world's existing agricultural soils. We basically chose all these wedges because some of them are really easy for everyone to do, and ones that are more expensive are more efficient on a wider scale. This is how we think that different people would rate our plans, our strategies. We think that taxpayers and consumers would think it's all right because they are paying a lot of money for 2 of the items, but the rest is pretty cheap. Energy companies would really like it because they're saving energy, and environmental groups are going to be very, very happy because we're saving a lot of energy and we're helping out the environment.
Manufacturers may not like it because they would be having to build all the equipment stuff for this strategy. Industrialized country governments may not like it either because then we're not trading with them. And developing country governments may like it because if we fix our problems here in the U.S. first, then maybe we can then spend time and focus more on their problems.